Hello
Hello.
everyone. Hi Maricris.
Hi, good to see you here again, Tin.
Yes, hope you're well today. Thank you for taking your time for this exchange today. I'm very happy to discuss with you. Maybe first, can you just introduce a little bit about yourself?
Yes. Hi, everyone. My name is Maricris. I'm living right now in an archipelago of the Philippines. I've been a corporate English teacher for more than 11 years and counting. Yes, I've been liking so much because this is one of my bread and butter. Not just that, but of course, I really love teaching my students, especially English, because it's one of my masterpiece. Right now, I also founded a tutorial center here in the Philippines, located at San Vicente East, Ordaneta City, for robotic classes and electronic classes for the students ages 4 years old to 12 years old. Yes.
Wow,
So
awesome.
yeah, with tutoring math, science, and also English as our expertise, and as well as like IT, coding, programming, and the like for programming teachers. Yeah, thank you,
Wow.
everyone.
That's pretty nice. So as you can see, yeah, I see that you are specialized in the educational field. It's pretty good because today we are going to discuss a little bit about personal brandings. I think that is going to be interesting to
Yes.
get to learn a little bit about yourself, how you can make yourself grow in the educational environment. A little bit more about how you make yourself in the educational position as an expert to there's elements of teaching. It would be very interesting to get to know a little bit how you proceed about this.
Yes, that's a really great question. I thought I'm going to interview you in this case.
Uh,
Okay.
Maybe yeah, no worries. Maybe I will let you just
Oh,
answer my
yeah,
question,
sure.
and after that we can
Mm.
just reverse it. No worries.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, but I could answer that questions for
Yes.
sure. Position is very important. Even though you're just starting from your own field, because if you don't position yourself, it seems that you don't know where you're going. Yeah. So
Mm.
for me, I'm not going to start into campaign when I'm going to start a business. I'll start positioning myself as an educator, let's say, or a baker, a pastry master chef, or something. Then after that, maybe you can also build your own brand by just promoting yourself with different kinds of your customers. Yeah, then your customer going to be your core in order to spread the good news. Yes, to spread the good news about your business because they have known you for quite some time. Yeah, so that's the first thing. We have to get known also with your customer and give value with them because that is vital and also crucial in all aspects of businesses. So, yeah.
Wow,
Okay.
it's
I
brilliant,
think you're an
brilliant.
expert in
Yes.
this because to me, I'm on more focused on my student and the focus of, the people who are with us. Yeah, from
Yes.
outside or.
Yeah, I think that's I totally agree with your point of view because when you are talking about personal brandings or positioning yourself in some kind of fields, it is very important to just for the first things get the knowledge. So it is important to have like okay, I have this type of knowledge, the basic knowledge, the technical knowledge. So thanks to this type of knowledge, I can share it to my students. So I think the first thing is like to shape your expertise. And the second thing about the personal branding, for my part, is that you need to be open-minded. It's like, for instance, if I am specialized about bakery, so it is only about bakery, but I also need to be open-minded and to
Correct.
also have awareness about what is the new trend in bakery, in the commercial or collective gatherings also, because this is also linked with my kind of knowledge also.
Yes, that's really a great point. Additionally, there are a lot of bakers, for example, that they are starting a business immediately. They were chef, they were really the experts, but they don't know about marketing. They don't know how to sell, right? Because that's the
Yes.
problem. Even though you are the best person into this planet, once you don't know how to market yourself, you don't have a networks. Yeah, networks. Yes, it's
Yes.
very hard to get clients. So with that, yeah, collaborations with
Yes.
other influencers maybe, or you know, asking your clients to give feedback because they are important. Yeah. Well, so now I have also a question to you, Tian, regarding promotion questions. Since we are in depth of promotions, what are the primary objectives of sales promotion campaign?
Well, I think that when we are talking about promotional campaigns and also the classical promotion, we need to include many key elements in order to make it better. So we are looking for the growth of maybe the companies, of yourself. So with that, we need to create emotion. So for my part, I think that emotion is really important because when you try to sell something, it's not like I have the product, I will sell it to you, and that's all. It's more than I give you solution. So thanks to my product, to my, I don't know, my IT services, to my cake, you will have
Mm.
emotion thanks to that. So it's like selling a useful services tools, but giving them benefit such as emotional benefit also.
Wow, great. That's right. With the emotional benefits, yeah, it can attract customers because they can be connected with the vows that you are giving for sure, like giving the best work as they could imagine, or maybe beyond expectation. Yeah,
Yes,
this could attract our customers, and it improves our trust to our consumers. Yeah, that's very
yes.
important. Okay, thank you, Tien. So, how do company decide which type of sales promotions we are going to use? Because most of the time we have so many handwriting sales promotion campaigns, advertisement ads, right? Or even like they hire other influencers in order you to expose your business online. What do you think the best promotional campaigns out there?
Yeah, this is a very interesting question because actually, for my part, I don't think that there is some good or bad answer to that because actually we are in the world in which we have a lot of competitors, a lot of products similar to what I want to sell, and the thing is that if I want to make myself like specialize or better in this type of field, I need to adapt my strategies. So maybe for the sales promotions, what I can do is to test and to try. For instance, if I try to reach some influencer to promote my product, it's going to be the first answer to this question. Or maybe I can try also to do that differently. So I can try to make promotional videos. I can try to ask maybe my customers to make some testimonial videos. So thanks to this element, I think it is in more in this type of strategies of test and learn. So if you test something and you see that it's good, you can adapt and adopt the
Mm.
strategies in your long term concept.
Great. Yes. That is why trial and error is also essential in order to know which market could be trends or so. Yeah,
Yes, that's
I
it.
totally agree with that. Now, let's go deeper with the personal branding, or we can call it as a self branding. Yeah. What is self branding and why it is important?
Yes. I think that's when we are talking about sales branding, we need to include the fact that you are promoting yourself. So when you try to promote yourself, you need to be aware that the people who are listening to you or who are talking to you, they will try to evaluate the first thing, which is your knowledge, so your type of expertise. And the second thing, which is very important about personal brandings, is your soft skills. So it is more about the way you interact with people, the way you are answering questions, the way you are open-minded to what they have to their feedbacks. So I think knowledge, personal knowledge, plus professional knowledge plus soft skills make a good personal branding strategies.